What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make and apply your own rain repellent to your windshield and get it winterized for the upcoming cold conditions. In my professional opinion, I truly believe that this stuff that I'm about to show you is better than Rain-X. So what we have here is fabric conditioner called Suavitel. You can find it at the Family Dollar for about $1.25. I got my mixture. I'll tell you how to mix that. My soap and water. I got my clay bar so I can clay the windshield to get as much debris and fallout off of it that I can, and my applicator to apply the mixture. So for the mixture, I use a 2:5 ratio, which is 2 parts fabric conditioner, 5 parts water. I put little dots down here so I can just show how much I'm pouring in for my 2, and then fill it up to the rest of the top dot for the water. And this is my solution that I use. And what we're going to be doing is applying it to the windshield here of my truck, and we're going to show you a comparison between that side and that side by putting a towel up top and showing you how fast and how slick the glass is going to be once we're finished. All right, guys, so first what you want to do is get your soapy water, and you're going to spray the windshield and wipe away as much debris that you can possibly, like dirt, bug guts, and even bird droppings. All right, next you want to take your soapy water as well, or some type of lubricant, and you want to spray the windshield, and we're going to clay it. The goal is to remove all the contaminants and fallout that is on the glass. Whenever you rub the clay over the glass, you can actually feel the contaminants being pulled out of the glass. The clay also takes off any road tar. If there's some road tar on the glass that the washing, when you did the soap and water and wipe down, didn't get up, it should remove all that. All right, now that that's done, what I'm gonna do is gonna wipe that off. The glass already feels smooth. Alright. The last step is to apply the fabric conditioner and water mixture. All I do is just put, a little bit on the front. About that much should be good enough. And what you're going to do is you're going to wipe the window or windshield. Make sure you get a total coverage. And we're going to leave that for about 10 seconds. Once 10 seconds pass, we're going to go ahead and wipe down the windshield. Now I have other videos on my channel of how to clean windshields, but I don't have anything about winterizing and making your windshield rain repellent. So that process is done, and now we're going to check and see how slick the windshield is here in a second. All right, now we're going to check this test to see the slickness and like how real smooth this glass is, right? So over here on the side that I didn't do, It's not moving. Put it right here. Hey, that's a little bit, kind of slow. Stopping halfway. But on the side that I treated, goes all the way down. And that right there, that part of the windshield is winterized for any type of rain, sleet, or even snow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the bell notification when you know I'm uploading new content. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you again.